What's driving the crypto market? How does DeFi really work? If you're still in the dark, you're missing out on one of the biggest financial opportunities out there. Digital currencies are the future, and they're already transforming everything right now. If you don't understand them, you're falling behind. There's massive potential to jump into the Web3 ecosystem and leverage it for your financial strategies. But to do that, you need a solid foundation. Get the fundamental knowledge you need in just 4 live sessions with our Digital Currencies course. You'll get hands-on experience with the mechanics of crypto assets, how blockchain operates, and critical validation methods like proof of work and proof of stake. You'll also gain a clear understanding of the current market landscape and learn to spot real opportunities within the crypto world. Guided by a PhD professor, Dr. Guenther Kornfellner, who's an expert in crypto, this course is designed to give you the practical skills to navigate the evolving Web3 space and make informed decisions in a rapidly changing digital world. Enroll now and become a Web3 expert with our Digital Currencies course.